What is going on, guys? Today we're back. We're gonna be doing the door. I'm gonna show you how to take this door panel off real quick to get this trim piece off. We're gonna get a new piece for that because it's broke, and then take this door handle out. The hood did not turn out well, so probably take this back off and redo it or paint it like a black or something like that. So right now I'm just gonna show you how to take this out, and then we will go from there. This is pretty easy. There's a screw down here in this little pocket. There's only 3 screws that hold this thing on, so that one. There's one in here. I don't know if you can see that, but we'll take this one out. This takes the handle out. That one, there's one right here. And that's just a little plastic push clip that this one comes out. And then there's a little plastic clip back here on the, I don't know if you can see that right there. So there is a little spring clip right there. I just need a pair of pliers to get that out. Actually, let's see if I can get it with this. No. Look. There it goes. That goes there. We can pull this door panel off. There it goes. So that is off. And then there's 2 bolts here. You can take this door handle out, and then we're gonna pop little clips in here. Should be able to just squeeze them, and these pop out, and the trim should pop out. Okay, the trim's off. I need to clean this up real quick. The door handle should pop out like that. So I can wrap this, and then I'll just put it back in like the way it is. And then I just have to sand this part right here, just so the wrap sticks to it a little better. Okay, let's go ahead and clean this up, and then we'll start wrapping this door. Okay, so we're gonna start wrapping this thing. I'm actually gonna put this back here. Okay guys, the door is done. It turned out really well. Those bubbles in there, you won't see that with the trim when I get it. And then I went ahead and did the rear as well. And this turned out really well. Was able to kind of seam these gaps on the edge you can't even tell. So yeah, that's all done. One thing I have left to do are the quarter panels and the bumper, and then redo the hood. But that's it for now. Watch this video. If you have any questions, please like this video, subscribe, take care, and have a great day.